Welcome to Bonn. I've been really excited about coming here because this was the capital of West Germany when I was a kid. So we're going to go and see the House of History, which should be really interesting. And then we're going to go to the old town of Bonn. So yeah, let's go. I think the train station is in the basement of the museum. They're very efficient. Turns out this isn't a car park, there's just a car here as part of the exhibit. By the time you were born, Germany was already reunified.
I know.
So this is the Museum of German History after 1945.
Yes.
Tell me what this is about.
After Hitler. So it's people, different generations. People who were during the war, after the war, their children, their grandchildren, how they see him, basically. And the whole Nazism and Holocaust.
This picture was... they tried to rub out Hitler in it. It's death certificate. That was really interesting. It was quite sad and poignant at times, but very interesting. So it turns out the main part of the museum is actually closed. That stairman behind the desk told me that it's not open until next year. So it's just the Hitler bit we just did, which was interesting in and of itself. It's an awful shame you can't go on to that train. It's really interesting seeing the old federal area because I just remember from being a kid. It's interesting to see it in real life. So this was the old Parliament building until 1999, and that's the United Nations building here in Bonn. This street is where all the national and international media was located during the Federal Republic. This is Bonn city centre now. This is nice, isn't it? Can we go into the Haribo shop? $0.79, that's a bargain. What are you getting? Super Mario! It's 3 for 2 as well. I want Super Mario. I'm gonna get Super Mario. And this one.
You need another one then.
No, I don't think it... Is it just 3 for 2? I'm sorry. Oh, it is 3 for 2. Do you want a Super Mario one? Happy cherries, I'm getting them. And watermelons, I'm getting them. They have Haribo merch. I would almost be tempted to buy that Haribo jar for home. This is the most amazing place I've ever been to.
I know.
Stars. You've come all the way to the Haribo factory and all you get is Star Mix. Oh, this is the sale area. Everything up here is on sale, Dennis. I'm really lucky I have a weight limit on my suitcase because I would buy everything. Can you get me a picture with the Haribo man? Hold on. It's actually a costume. It's not bizarre. You look like you're a golden bear. I want to buy everything. They have Haribo bears. Have got anything else I like? I'm very tempted to just buy one of everything. Absolutely delighted with my Haribo haul.
Why did you get a bag? You have a backpack on.
You didn't bring a backpack.
Oh yeah. There's a Lindt store as well. This is so dangerous. So I've got a bag. I wonder how much this is going to be. How much do you think it cost me in euro terms?
6. 6 euro.
No,
7. Come on.
no. 4.39. Bargain. That was some very productive shopping. That man's head fell off. I'm going to try my first indoor. This is a nice town square. There's Beethoven. Someone put a bottle of wine in his hands. This is the old post office.
Stalker is a strong word. It's a good way to keep up with what people are doing.
Current affairs.
Yeah.
Bonn is a lot busier than I was expecting it to be. For some reason I thought Bonn was going to be really small, but it's not. Do you want to have a look in the market? It's a lovely little stroll through the market. In a few weeks they're going to just throw a few Christmas lights on this and call it a Christmas market. After all the Haribo, you want to buy cheese now as well. What would you do with a wheel of cheese? This is the old rat house. Do you want to have your picture taken with Beethoven? Dennis doesn't want his picture taken with Beethoven, so I'm going to do it. Yeah. He's very tall. This is Beethoven's house. I'm going to saunter into the Beethoven gift shop. Vast collection of Beethoven CDs. They have Beethoven ducks. That's amazing. I almost feel like getting one and waking you up every morning with that. Why is he green? He's like a giant in that one. What's that about? Would you say the neighbours would have been wrecked listening to him playing the piano at all hours? As far as train stations go, this one's quite nice. So we had a lovely time in Bonn. It's a lot nicer than I was expecting it, and it's a lot bigger than I was expecting it too. Yeah, it was interesting. It was a nice place. So thumbs up from me.